we interrupt your regular programming to bring you this breaking news.
We've just been informed that five-time and current reigning Australian Drone Nationals champion BMS Thomas has withdrawn from this year's event. BMS Thomas, who is currently competing in Japan Drone League, will be unable to return to Australia in time for the event. Team BMS have released the following statement.
Hello everyone, Thomas here. Just wanted to wish everyone attending the 2024 Mission Foods Australian Drone Nationals all the best. I'm not going to be there. That's really weird. I've been to all 6 of the events thus far and been fortunate enough to win 5 out of the 6. But basically due to scheduling, I'm currently competing in the Japan Drone League, which is a whole season's worth of points. Currently leading, which is awesome, but 3 races to go, and in hot pursuit are 2 incredible world champions. But yeah, basically due to scheduling with when those races happen and when the race in Townsville happens, I wasn't able to find a flight that would get me back, short of organising a private jet, that is, which is very much outside of my funding. But yeah, kind of bummed out. I got to design the Nationals course this year, so I really wanted to fly that. But please enjoy it. And on that note too, there have been an incredible amount of people that have gone into making this event possible, through to the volunteers, organisers, the sponsors. So I think we've got Mission Foods now that's been supporting the event. I think it's 4 consecutive years in a row. And obviously a massive thanks to them too for supporting me and all of the clubs and keeping the grassroots of drone racing going, along with many of the other sponsors of the Nationals. But yeah, basically just enjoy. To whoever the new national champion is, congratulations. Everyone's obviously worked super hard for it, so regardless, it's an incredible feat no matter what. And I can't wait to race you soon and yeah, have some fun on the racetrack. Best wishes, and I'll be cheering from the live stream. See ya.
And with that, it is now confirmed that Australia will have a new drone racing champion in 2024 after the shock withdrawal of BMS Thomas. Tim, your thoughts on this?
Look, I'm really in shock over this one, Bear. Thomas has been a staple figurehead of that event since its very first one in 2016. Him and myself, along with BMS Paul, of course, are like one of the few people who have been to every event. And it's certainly going to feel different without seeing his face there. As far as the competition goes, you want the best of the best competing at Drone Nationals, and BMS Thomas is still, without a doubt, one of the best in the country.
Yeah, definitely, Tim. Look, the big story going into this Drone Nationals was always going to be how BMS Thomas would perform. He obviously had to change his technique at the end of last year due to an RSI injury, but he's still clearly been the best in the country for some time. Whilst there's a lot of talent around there really starting to push and challenge for that title. The big story is going to be, could the reigning champion hold off the challenges, or will someone new emerge and take that crown?
Ooh, well, look, I guess we'll never know now. But this is certainly exciting for any pilot now competing at Nationals. Whilst BMS Thomas was never guaranteed to win the event, a pilot of his skill and focus was always going to find his way into the finals. And now there is one less key competitor for everyone to think about.
Well, Tim, I tell you what, I'm excited and I can't wait to watch the drama unfold in a month's time up in Townsville.
Yeah, that's right, Bear. It will be there covering every race, every lap, every crash as it occurs across 3 super long days with the night flying and all. And Drone Racing News, episode 3 for August, will hopefully be out soon. We're aiming for next week on that one. But for now, we return you to your regular programming. Thanks for tuning in for this breaking news story, and good night.